to invest in you. We need to invest in the youth. The youth, everybody, do you know why people retire when they are 60, when they are 65? Because they're no longer as productive as they are when they're the youth. So investing in the youth is investing in engine of growth of your country. They are the ones that will produce the prosperity of the country. They are the ones who have the energy, the talent, the everything to move on. Every company you're celebrating in the world today is built by the youth. People don't hardly build any company when they're old. Those who founded the biggest corporations in the world, they did it when they were youth. Go to them. Today, the Amazons, the Apple, the Facebook, Twitter, all these are founded by youths. And they are the ones driving everything. Your youths don't have the same privilege. They don't have what it takes and everything. What are you going to do about power? Like you just asked him. Again, you're not doing anybody a favor. You have to provide it. Because it helps the engine of your growth. Have you ever seen government here say that they have a problem with revenue? Have you ever heard it? Huh? You're not following our government. Government complains anyway. We don't have enough revenue. They even say they don't have a debt problem, they have a revenue problem. They say it every day. You haven't seen our government say tax to GDP is low. Haven't heard it? You know why your tax to GDP is low? Because you have people who are not working. Would they pay you tax from where? Are you going to tax unemployed people? Are they going to kill their mother and father? Come and pay you tax?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.